And I'm fucked up. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Uh-oh. His transmission ain't shit. Hey, y'all. Hey, listen, bro. My YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. Meet out. I got the stickers. You want a sticker? Yeah, get you one of them stickers off of there, man. Or you could tear it off. Yeah.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Already. You want one of me? Give one to your uncle or something. Oh, for yourself? But get one for your daddy, your uncle, anybody that like racing. You let them know that, hey, he gonna be live racing, y'all.
Thank you.
Already.
Anyone that can't work their phone that
Yeah, you know, you probably know somebody that can't work their phone that good. Yeah, you let them know. I'm giving them out for free, man. Let them know, man. You want one? Yeah.
What? What is fucked up?
Man, they goddamn shit done kicked in, y'all. I'm 90%.
Too much tequila and whiskey?
Man, I done mixed that shit together.
Oh, you'll be fine.
I will.
Oh, yeah. Shit, I've been drinking beer, tequila, and that shit all night.
Who finna race, man? Y'all got the stickers. Oh shit, here go Booster, y'all. Let these damn Mexicans get me drunk. Shit working. Trying to get this old left lane for the win, y'all.
Hey, he trying to play with boost ass on that light.
Yeah, he
trying to run his ass down. Boy, you can't play with boost on that light. Hell no.
He can't play with boosting on that light. Can't play with boosting on that light, y'all. He done played all our trick games already.
Backwards?
You know, people wanted to beat him already.
What's up?
You know, so many people wanted to be boosted already. They done played all the games with him. He ready.
Yeah. Hey, did anybody see? Did he bump backwards? This guy? When he introduced that the bump up, did he bump backwards? I saw it. Yeah, I don't know.
Now, Nuke ain't racing tonight. Nuke don't race at Yello Belly.
You gotta lean up against the car.
Oh, okay. Boy, running want to get that shot, y'all. He probably need to watch out on trying to get in that shot, y'all, because my cash app is Lookout Racing. Y'all can check out my cash app. Put the money sign with Lookout Racing. My Apple Pay, Lookout Racing. Y'all can check out all them, y'all, for going live. You know what I'm saying? Apple Pay, everything. Lookout Racing. The phone number to all the platforms are paying is 214-514-9545. I have one of my buddies posted in the comments. As of right now, this for free. My boy Mario chipped in about $20. Anybody else want to feel generous? We got Ronnie Barnes want to push everybody out the way so he can get him a good picture. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share. Yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, share.